Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Colleton County is one of the low country counties in which Africans have been enslaved and created the Gullah Geechee culture. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, and whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act created by United States Representative James Colleton, as well as the efforts of others such as Queen Quet of the Gullah Geechee Nation and Kwame Shaw, co-founders of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. And whereas Queen Quet has provided Gullah Geechee educational presentations at the Colleton County Memorial Library for the past 24 years, and whereas these presentations have taught about sustaining Gullah Geechee land, and whereas the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Plan has been created to sustain the land and the Gullah Geechee culture, and whereas Queen Quet, who became the first Gullah Geechee to speak before the United Nations on behalf of Gullah Geechees, led the creation of this plan, and whereas it is appropriate to recognize the importance of bringing awareness and appreciation for this rich culture and history in order to increase understanding of all the contributions the Gullah Geechee have given to our area. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to educate the world about and to celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee traditions. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival will be in the culmination of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and whereas a series of activities will take place throughout Colleton County and virtually honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and are part of the United Nations Decade of People of African Descent. And whereas Colleton County joins in celebrating the lives of Gullah Geechees that have left such a rich legacy on our county, region, and nation by joining in with the theme this year, celebrating Gullah Geechee resiliency. Now therefore be it resolved that the Colleton County Council does hereby proudly proclaim the week of July 27th through August the 4th, 2024 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Colleton County, and encourages all citizens to actively participate in educational activities aimed at increasing both the knowledge and appreciation of this rich culture adopted this 18th day of June 2024.
Move the proclamation.
Second. Motion and second. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The motion carries unanimously.